today's the chief guest, and all the way he traveled from Delhi to Hyderabad just to be a part of this lovely event. And it shows his love towards the humanity and his love towards the underprivileged. Today's chief guest, His Excellency Nicolo Yankovic, is an ambassador for the Republic of Bulgaria to the India and also almost all the SAARC countries. And today's I don't want to call as a guest, but a friend of all of us. We all, take him as one of our family member. The man with courage. Initially, we know him as a villain in the movies, but he proved to be, the real hero and the man of the humanity. My friend Sonu Soji, today's Sankalp Kiran Puraskar Grahita. And the most important, the stars of the evening, the true, loving kids, the kids from 50 special the schools. ఈ రోజున ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన ఈ 50 ప్రత్యేక పాఠశాలల నుంచి వచ్చినటువంటి ఆల్ మై డియరెస్ట్ the kids, you are the stars of this evening. You are the heroes of this evening. And the villages, which I don't want to call it as adopted, but the two villages which are very close to my, my heart, Suraram village and Narmeta village, the villagers from villagers, in the sense of the students and everyone. I mean, they all came here to be a part of this, the wonderful, the festival called Sankalp Divas. ఈ రోజు ఇక్కడ మనం ఏదైతే ఈ రోజున సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుంటున్నామో ఇది ఒక అనవాయితీగా మోర్ దెన్ 2 decades నుంచి మనం ఈ సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకుంటూ వస్తున్నాం. అండ్ ఈ రోజు అయిన తర్వాత 28 తర్వాత 29 నుంచి మళ్ళీ అగైన్ విల్ వెయిట్ ఫర్ దిస్ పర్టికులర్ డే, దో వీ మీట్ the whole year in many times, but this particular day is very, very special for us because we all join together and celebrate this particular day, and we cheer ourselves and we share our ideas and we share our happiness and we share the pains and pleasures over here. So nakenduko let's forget about the birthday is adi ostuntai potuntai, but when we named it as Sankalp Divas, when we started this particular, the Sankalp Divas, the people, and all the, the known people and all this started celebrating with pomp and show. And that particular day I said, no, let's not do this. Let's celebrate it in a meaningful way. Let's do, something which is very helpful to the society and which will uplift at least to some of the few, some of the lives. They all agreed, and I'm thankful to my friends, and we all joined together and started this Sankalp Divas. And we started with 5-6 institutions, and later one village added to that, then later one more village, and from 20 to 25 to 27 to 30, 35, 40, now it's more than 50 institutions are, the part of the Sankalp Divas and part of my life. A lot of the media, the people they keep on asking me, what is the purpose of Sankalp Divas? Is it a charity? No. Who are we to do the charity? Who are we to give the donations and all? No. It's a God's willing. When I started my career, I started with 2,000 rupees. 2,000 రూపాయల నుంచి నేను స్టార్ట్ చేశాను నేను. సో ఆ రోజును గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటే ఈ రోజు వచ్చిందంతా కూడా ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఫ్రమ్ మై ancestral, my great grandfathers fathers నుంచి వచ్చింది కాదు ఇదంతా కూడా. Yes, I draw the love and affection and the discipline from the family, but the most important thing is, it is the society which has given me the strength and the financial courage or financial, support to give it back to the society. And it has become a part of my life. Whenever I told this many times, whenever I get little depressed or little low, feel low, I go to one of my, special children homes and I spend time with them. And without informing them, and go and sit with the kids and all. I'll get charged and I'll, go out with a lot of energy and the positivity. నేను అందరికి చెప్తాను నేను. సో ప్రపంచంలో ఎవరైనా, if anyone is there with a pure heart and clear mind and the what do you call that, the positivity, it is only you'll find in the kids. ఇక్కడున్న ఈ చిన్నారుల నుంచి మనం చూడగలుగుతాం. The entire world, it may be a little, the rough statement, but everybody is matlabi in this world. ప్రతి వాళ్ళ లోపల ఏదో ఒక ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్ ఉంటుంది. బట్ ఏం ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్ లేని, without any expectation, if they love with you can see that purity and that the clarity in their love. వాళ్ళు మీతో మాట్లాడిన the expressions, whatever if you sit with them with a plain heart and చక్కటి మనుషులతోటి మనుషులుగా మీరు వాళ్ళతో కూర్చుంటే మీకు వచ్చే ఆనందం ఇంకెక్కడ ఉండదు. I always says, if you wanted to celebrate and go and spend some time, and also teach this to your children, please spend some time with underprivileged. వీళ్ళతోటి మీరు వెళ్ళి కొంచెం సేపు గడపండి. You'll feel that how you are blessed and what all you can learn from the special kids. వీళ్ళ నుంచి మనం ఎన్ని నేర్చుకోవచ్చు, ఎంతో చేయొచ్చు. And my complaint or the feeling across the globe, all the governments, not only Indian government but across the other countries, they treat them as they have every right. వాళ్ళకు కూడా మనలాగా ఈక్వల్గా జీవించే హక్కు ఉంది. వాళ్ళలాగా మనకు ఉండేటువంటి the right to get the rightful things. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం ఏదైతే మనం కోరుకుంటున్నామో, we'll get all the benefits, because they are not voters, or maybe they are not get bribed, so they are taken for granted and they are ignored by the governments, or for that matter even the politicians and bureaucrats. But I feel that these people should be taken care first than others. ఎవరికైనా కొంచెం మన గవర్నమెంట్స్లో ఉన్నటువంటి వాళ్ళకి కొంచెం మనవతం వాళ్ళకి కూడా ఉంటే, ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చేటువంటి బెనిఫిట్స్లో ద ఫస్ట్ బడ్జెట్లో the first statement should be only for the special kids. వాళ్ళకి ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత ఇంకేదన్నా చేయాలనుకుంటే మీరు రకరకాల ఇండస్ట్రియలిస్ట్ని ప్రోత్సహిస్తున్నా, ఎవరిని చేయాలని, అవన్నీ కూడా ఇంపార్టెంట్. I don't say that it is not important, but it is definitely important. But what is the foremost, the thing it should be there in their mind is they should take care of this, the special, the children homes. He dives me then, and I told many times, you know, it is, I don't know why the God given this kind of life to these special kids, but the pain is taken not by the parents, but by the institutions. Seriously, I'm telling you, every month they are looking for some kind of a support. Yesterday, I met one institution. He was in this industry, in this particular sector, taking care of the special kids sector for the 40 years. He lost all his the property, and every year, he goes to the market and take 2 rupees interest, and whenever the donor comes, and he repays to them. Why this the situation should come? What for all he is doing? He sacrificed his life and the potential, the family, the life and career. But how many of us, we are really thinking of it? Can't we, spare little time, talent and treasure for the special kids? So, whomever are watching the live from the platform, I think 3 or 4 channels that are doing the live, I request everyone with a folded hand, I request everyone, please pay an attention. It is not just, writing some donation of 10,000, 20,000 or 1 lakh. Apart from that, please go and spend some time with them and understand their needs, extend your love, extend your emotion, sentiments, and share with them. Then you'll realize how you are blessed, and the God will definitely bless you in return. And these days, apart from the special, the children, the homes, these days, we are seeing the entire Indian villages are, becoming the ghost villages. The villages, the migration is happening in a very massive. In the last 1 year, I might have visited about 50 villages. Out of 50 villages, in each village, only 20% and 25% people are living, and 70-75% of the houses are forbidden. Now we started experimenting, and my 2 villages, which I taken it up, the reverse migration is taking place, and the per capita income is increased. Not only providing the infrastructure, but lifestyle and creating an employment, and it's organic farming to the skill development, whatnot. Everything we are trying to do over there, and we are trying to create an application. It's going to be the first of its kind in the world. It is the app is going to take care of everything of the villager, right from their Me Seva, E Seva, and whatever their day-to-day activities. They wanted to renew some passport, they wanted to renew their driving license, and they are worried about some insects are hitting the crops. Everything is going to be they're taken care, and it is going to alert the villagers. And another painful, we can't do everything. I mean, we can't, we don't have that much of the resources or we have time to take care of everything. మనకు చాలా అనిపిస్తుంది, చాలా చేయాలనిపిస్తుంది. బట్ మనకున్నటువంటి టైం కానీ, మనకున్నటువంటి లిమిటెడ్ ఎకనామిక్ రిసోర్సెస్ తోటి కానీ, వీ కెన్ డూ ఓన్లీ లిమిటెడ్ థింగ్స్. బట్ ఇక్కడ నాకు గత కొన్ని ఇయర్స్ నుంచి చూస్తే, వన్ ఆఫ్ మై ఫ్రెండ్స్ సన్, ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ టు దాన్ని ఇక్కడ నేను చెప్పకూడదు అనుకున్నా కూడా చెప్పక తప్పదు. హీ కమిటెడ్ సూసైడ్ బికాస్ హీ బికమ్ డ్రగ్ అడిక్ట్. వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ ఆర్ warned him or threatened him to throw him out of the house, and with a fear, or maybe because he don't have the control on his mind, he committed suicide. And one of my friend's son, he become the drug addict, and they have a lot of hopes on him, but he is not doing anything, but every time he is on high. But idenduku jarugutundi? I mean, we say no to drugs, and we do some activities on the streets, but we need to create an awareness. How we have taken it up at the corona and the polio and all. Now the time has come to go to the schools and institutions and colleges and the community, show that this is the real thing. And if you are becoming a drug addict, and if you are initially, you may become as a hobby you may start it, but you may become an addict to that. But time has come, each of us, every one of us, we need to focus on it, and we need to create an awareness. Every institution should put a board, this is drug-free institution, drug-free school, and drug-free community. So this is the need of the hour. Otherwise, the Punjab we have taken, Udta Punjab, but Udta India should not become, tomorrow. And the talent, the mostly it is getting affected is the younger generation. So we need to protect, and we need to take care of our younger generation. Then only, the India will be taken care. Always the Abdul Kalam ji, he says. So I wanted to take care of, 500,000 my Indian students. They'll take care of my 1.4 billion, the Indians. So I wanted to make them as that, the tomorrow's citizens. The Switch India slogan is also Uttishta Bharata. Uttishta Bharata is get up Indian and do something little extra. So Uttishta is get up, and Uttishta Garudwaja and Antam Manam. Uttishta is get up, and Bharata is Indian. Do something, get up and do something little extra. Whatever you did yesterday, do something little extra. సో అండ్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్న మళ్ళీ మీ అందరికి కూడా నేను తెలుగులో మీకు అందరికి చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే, మేమందరం ఉన్నాం మీతోటి. అండ్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి స్పెషల్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్ వాళ్ళందరికీ కూడా నడుస్తున్నటువంటి ఈ 50 ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్ కరెస్పాండెంట్స్కు దాని ప్రమోట్, అండ్ ఇక్కడ స్పెషల్లీ వాలంటీర్స్ వాళ్ళందరికీ కూడా విత్ అ హోల్డెడ్ హ్యాండ్ ఐఎమ్ థ్యాంకింగ్ యూ ఆల్, బికాస్ వితౌట్ యూ దీస్ కిడ్స్ బికమ్, ఐ డోంట్ నో వాట్ టు సే. వాళ్ళ లైఫ్ అంతా ఏమైపోయి ఉండదు కూడా అర్థం కాదు. మీ అందరి వల్లనే ఈ పిల్లలందరినీ చూసుకునేటువంటి ఒక దైవ దూతలుగా, యు ఆర్ ఆల్ ఏంజల్స్, the gods and angels. You are taking care of these special kids. Thank you so much for taking care of these kids, and we are there for you, and we'll all become unite, and we'll request every organization, every institution, and every private and public sector to join hands. And మీ అందరి లైఫ్లలో రీసెర్చ్, we need to do a lot of research on the change in the lifestyle and bringing the better life to these kids. So ఆ రోజు రావాలి, ఏదో ఒక రోజు మనకు స్పెషల్ కిడ్స్ అనేది ఇంకా ఉండని, అంటే ఎలాంటి అంగవైకల్యత ఉండని మనుషులు మన లోపల మన సమాజంలో ఉండే రోజు కోసం మనం చూడాలి, మనం ప్రార్థించాలి. అండ్ మరొక్కసారి ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినటువంటి మీడియా మిత్రులందరికీ అండ్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి స్పెషల్ కిడ్స్ అందరికీ కూడా ధన్యవాదాలు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ బీయింగ్ ఎ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వండర్ఫుల్ ద సంకల్ప్ దివస్ ఈవెంట్. అండ్ సంకల్ప్ కిరణ్ ఈ రోజున తీసుకుంటున్న సోను సూద్ గారికి ఇస్ అ డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్. అండ్ అంతకంటే ఇంకా ఏం చెప్పాలి, ఐ మీన్ ఈజ్ అన్ ఇఫ్ యూ లుక్ చాలా నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. వెన్ ఎవర్ ఐ మీట్ హిమ్ ఐ లర్న్ 1 or 2 things from him. Down to earth personality, and so simple, so generous, and అది ఎలా సాధ్యమవుతుంది. అండ్ వెన్ ఎవర్ ఐ సిట్ విత్ హిమ్, హిస్ ఫోన్ ఆల్వేస్ నాట్ ఫర్ షూటింగ్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఫర్ ఎనీథింగ్, దట్ విల్ బి టేకిన్ కేర్ బై హిస్ సెక్రటరీస్ ఐ బిలీవ్, బట్ వాట్ ఎవర్ the social work he is doing, he personally monitors. When I was at his office and at his house, he was, अच्छा कितना लारी किधर से किधर जा रहा और कहाँ पे, अच्छा यहाँ पे सोलर फिट कर रहे ना, और यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा. I mean I was surprised. I need to learn a lot. Bhai, you are God sent. God should give you more and more life and more energy to support us. So thank you so much, and thank you all. Jai Hind.
చాలా స్ఫూర్తిదాయకమైన మాటలు వినిపించిన కిరణ్ గారికి ధన్యవాదాలు. We thank Dr. Kiran for his very inspiring words. Now we'd like to proceed to the felicitation program. Let's have the felicitation chair, please. Needless to say, of course, Sonu Sood ji actually needs no introduction as a film actor, producer, model, humanitarian, philanthropist, and we've seen him on screen shining like a star, and we've seen him in real life shining even brighter.